Hi everyone. Today I'll be making barbecued one-pot chili. What all goes into the barbecue one-pot chili? 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 2 pounds ground beef, 1 large onion chopped, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 2 15.5-ounce cans kidney beans drained, 2 cups barbecue sauce. You can use any kind you want. I'm going to be using maple bourbon. 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 4 cloves garlic finely chopped. So let's begin. So in a large pot over medium-high heat, heat up your 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add your 2 pounds of ground beef. Your 1 large onion chopped, and your 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Cook that until the meat is brown. So the ground beef is brown, you want to drain it. Mine is 93% lean, so there's not that much grease. I'm not going to worry about it. Then dump in your 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, your 2 15.5-ounce cans of kidney beans that are drained, your 2 cups of barbecue sauce. Then add your 2 tablespoons chili powder, your 2 teaspoons cumin, your 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and your 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Give that a mix. Then put a lid on and simmer it for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. So to your chili, you can add sour cream, cheese, whatever toppings you would like. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. So here is the barbecue one-pot chili. Rounding out the meal is Dolly's sweet cornbread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells like chili.
It is barbecue one-pot chili with maple bourbon barbecue sauce in it.
That's pretty good. It's got a, well, there's a little sweetness to it, but it's unique compared to any chili I've had before, but I like this. It's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.